Abram Petrovich Gannibal's exact origins are uncertain, with different sources suggesting birthplaces such as the village of Ladoga in present-day Eritrea or the Sultanate of Ladoga in Cameroon. Kidnapped at the age of 7 around 1703, he was taken to the court of the Ottoman Sultan at Constantinople. Were you aware that Gannibal went to Metz in 1717 to continue his education in arts, sciences, and warfare, becoming fluent in several languages and excelling in mathematics and geometry, and subsequently joining the French army in 1718, rising to the rank of captain and fighting in the French war against Spain? Gannibal was ransomed and brought to Russia in 1704, where Emperor Peter the Great recognized his intelligence and military potential. He was baptized in 1705, with Peter the Great as his godfather, and the date of his baptism became his adopted birthday. In 1717, he went to Metz to continue his education in arts, sciences, and warfare. He became fluent in several languages and excelled in mathematics and geometry. Gannibal joined the French army in 1718, rising to the rank of captain, and fought in the French war against Spain. Gannibal returned to Russia in 1723 and worked as a military engineer. Did you know that Gannibal returned to Russia in 1723, worked as a military engineer, and faced suspicion and exile to Siberia in 1727 after Peter the Great's death due to Prince Menshikov's distrust of his foreign origins and education, but was later pardoned in 1730 for his skills in military engineering? He was pardoned in 1730 for his skills in military engineering. Have you heard that Gannibal regained prominence under the reign of Peter's daughter, Elizabeth, who became the monarch in 1741, rising to the rank of Major General and becoming the superintendent of Reval, Tallinn, Estonia, from 1742 to 1752. He rose to the rank of Major General and became the superintendent of Reval, Tallinn, Estonia, from 1742 to 1752. Gannibal married twice. His first wife, Evdokia Diopar, was Greek, and their marriage was troubled. She was arrested and imprisoned for 11 years due to her infidelity. He later married Christina Regina Sjoberg in 1736, with whom he had 10 children. Gannibal's descendants include notable figures such as Ivan Gannibal, a naval officer, and Osip, whose daughter Nadezhda became the mother of Alexander Pushkin. Gannibal retired in 1762 and passed away on May 14, 1781, in St. Petersburg, at the age of 85. His life is marked by resilience, achievement, and significant contributions to Russian society, and his descendants include notable figures such as the renowned Russian poet Alexander Pushkin. Gannibal is featured in Alexander Pushkin's unfinished novel Peter the Great's Negro. In popular culture, Gannibal is portrayed in films such as the Soviet comedy How Tsar Peter the Great Married Off His Moor. Additionally, he has become a popular figure in his native country, leading to increased interest in portraits and art depicting him. Have you heard that Gannibal retired in 1762 and passed away on May 14, 1781, in St. Petersburg, at the age of 85, leaving a legacy of resilience, achievement, and significant contributions to Russian society? The life of Abram Petrovich Gannibal is a fascinating tale of overcoming adversity and making substantial contributions to Russian society during a pivotal period in its history. Descendants in British monarchy. Some British aristocrats are direct descendants of Abram Petrovich Gannibal, including Natalia Grosvenor, Duchess of Westminster, her sister Alexandra Hamilton, Duchess of Abercorn, and George Mountbatten, 4th Marquess of Milford Haven, who is a cousin of Queen Elizabeth II. George Mountbatten is a direct descendant through his grandmother, Nedida Mountbatten, Marchioness of Milford Haven, who was a descendant of Gannibal.